Hello everyone. The aim of this presentation is to convey the message of wetland restoration, the prospects and challenges existing in the area of wetland restoration. We all know that UN had declared 2021 to 2030 as the decade of ecosystem restoration. Whatever the activities we can do for the conservation and restoration of our natural ecosystems or artificial ecosystems, we can contribute our maximum during this period, and after 2030 we are expecting a better life. That's the aim of this decade of ecosystem restoration. So in this presentation we are going to discuss about wetlands and their restoration prospects and challenges. We all know that a wetland is a transitional area between terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems. The water table in a wetland is usually a shallow one. It's just above the surface level, but its level should not exceed 6 meter height. That's the definition given by the Convention on Wetlands. There are different kinds of wetlands. Freshwater estuaries are considered, coastal areas are considered, mangroves are there, fens, bogs, swamps, different kinds of wetland ecosystems are present. The Ramsar Convention was aimed at preservation and conservation of these natural filters of our ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystems are very necessary for our agricultural purpose, our drinking purpose, for existence of several lives. And also, these are regarded as kidneys of nature. Rapid degradation of wetlands led to a convention called the Ramsar Convention. It was followed by MAR conference held in Europe, and in that conference it was suggested that there is need to take steps for the conservation of rapidly degrading wetland ecosystems. So in Iran in 1971, the contracting parties met and signed the Ramsar Convention. They decided to prepare a list of wetlands which require immediate attention for its conservation. And that list is mentioned or registered in a record called Montract's Record. The contracting parties signed this agreement on 2nd February 1971. So from that day onwards, 2nd February is celebrated as World Wetland Day. At present, there are 2,422 Ramsar sites, or it's not mean that only 2,422 wetlands are present. It is meaning that total Ramsar sites or the wetlands that faces rapid degradation are 2,422. There are several reasons for wetland degradation: pollution, biological resources utilization, overexploitation, then modification of the natural ecosystems. Water use strategies are different in different regimes, and human settlements, human interventions, and modifications lead to rapid degradation of various kinds of ecosystems.